This is Math 141, practice test number 1. This is problem number 2. We're supposed to evaluate this, and really the work here is going to be getting the I out of the denominator. And I know you can do this on your calculator, but I want to see some work. So let's see, I have this 2 minus I in the denominator. So what I'm going to do is multiply by 2 plus I. I'm really multiplying by 1, change the form, not the value. But if I go 2 plus I times 2 minus I, the i's will cancel out in the denominator, which I want to happen. And notice that happens. Negative I times 2 is negative 2i. 2 times I is positive 2i, that cancels out. And then I have 2 times 2 is 4. Negative I times I, negative I squared. We know I squared is negative 1, so that's negative negative 1. So that denominator is going to end up being a 5. All right, on to the numerator. I'm going to have to multiply my 3 plus 2i by my 2 plus I. So let me scratch a little bit over here. And you could do this by setting up a generic rectangle, 3, 2i, 2i, multiply it that way. I'm just going to multiply it this way. 3 times 2 is 6. 2i times I, that's 2i squared. I squared is negative 1, so it's 6 minus 2. So my real part is going to be a 4. And then my imaginary part, 2i times 2 is 4i, not 2i. And then 3 times I is 3i. If I add those together, I'm going to get 7i. So my numerator is 4 plus 7i over 5. Can't do any simplifying, so that's it.